my friend's E46. You've done a lot of modification on it, and it's such a perfect car. I'm starting to like this car more than my own. That's crazy. It's about 400 horsepower, and it has a lot of grip. Michelin Cup 2s, it handles really good. And with the Porsche 996 GT3 brake kit, it has the upgraded cams, and they've done a lot of things. I will post it down below, all the modifications that's done on it. Such a fun car. It sounds so good. It's crazy. Oh my vilken bil! Alltså fan. Oh my god. This is by far the best car I ever driven. It's even better than my 99 GT3, 996 GT3. I don't even know what to say now. I am so blown away of this car. This is crazy. Oh my god, I need one. I'm gonna sell that car and buy an M3 E46 because it is such a good car. Oh my god. Listen to that sound. Man. Oh, it's so good. It is a little bit it is good turning, but it's almost too good because it's almost like it's a little bit uncomfortable, or I'm not sure. Den är lite känslig, lite vinglig. It's a little bit wobbly when you turn in and you're like braking, but that's probably because I'm not used to the car. I think that's the only explanation, because I'm used to that car and that's a heavy car. This is a small light car that is fantastic. And it's a perfect amount of power. Oh my god. Wow, it is such a great car. Wow, I really like this car. Wow, wow, wow. You have a great car, Christopher. Vilken bil jag har. Det är så roligt. I now understand why these cars are going up so much in value, because this is hard to beat. What you get for the money, it's crazy. Even though this one has mods for a lot of money, but still it's such a potential. Crazy car. Hopefully the sound is good, so you guys can enjoy the sound. Oh my god, this is something to experience in real. I can tell you that. This is such a cool car.
If you guys enjoy this video, please share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, or subscribe, and more will be coming shortly. Thank you.